if you got the big machine, you have a longer weekly supply. Anyway, whatever. So good morning, guys. Today is Vlogmas day. Bye. We here. This heat is like blazing. World. So yeah, it's Vlogmas day. Bye. Dinner night or date night was great last night. We had a blast. Good food, full. We will be eating that for lunch later, but we about to go have some breakfast. We about to check out this new breakfast spot. They say is really good. I think it's called man, what's the restaurant called? Eggs Up Grill. So we're about to go try that. I probably will be vlogging on my phone, babe, and I may end up doing a little bit of shopping, possibly. I'm not really getting a whole lot. We're about done with Christmas. There's just like a few things, so we may go do that. But yeah, I'll probably end up vlogging on my phone because I didn't charge no batteries. So yeah, that part. But anyway, I just want to check in, say hey, say good morning. We are dressed. I have on oh, I got a mirror now. So I'll look at my background. Okay, but my Yeezy sneakers, they're super comfortable. I love them, and I got them in the white color too, so comfy. Anyhow, yeah, we are going to go eat. I'm starting at this point. Here's babe. He's talking about we're corn balls. They're on the same colors, but we're so not corn balls. We just end up having on the same outfit. I knew what he was gonna put on, but I really didn't know he was gonna put on this hoodie. But I just wanted to wear my black shoes, so I had to put on something black, and I felt like being comfy. Yeah, I'll see y'all later on my phone. Whoa, 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 whoa. Girls want wrong. Yeah, where we both from? Hey, and you just got to Miami, need hotel rooms. Niggas told you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot 42, cause you, hey, and you throwing on that dress, cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, texting me and say I need to see you. Hey, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staring at the dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, so my bad, y'all. We done been into Ulta. $250 later.
Bad decision.
Speaking of which, I got some Mario Badescu lip balm that is like popping. But yeah, so now we are on our way to Target. We're about to go see if we can get Carter a few video games. We basically knocked Maya out. If y'all don't know, Maya is my daughter from previous, not biologically, but she's mine, so it don't matter. But we kind of knocked her out at Ulta because she's getting older. She's, you know, 15 now, so she wants like kind of girly stuff. So we kind of knocked her out at Ulta and got her out the way, besides just giving her some money. And then once we get Carter some stuff, we will basically be done. So Target we go, period. And the food was bomb. Did you enjoy your food at Eggs Up?
I did. I really did.
It was really good. The pancakes were okay. The French toast that we had was amazing. I don't even think I showed y'all the pancakes, but we ended up ordering 2 pancakes and homemade fries because we heard the pancakes were the best. So we don't know why we didn't order those initially anyway. But it was good. Had a little popo. Put my phone down. But the food was good or whatever. So yeah, definitely will be going back. I will only order the French toast though because that was the best. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and go to Target and see what we can find, and then probably go home. Oh yeah, so I had poached eggs for the first time, and it was different. It was different. You can tell they literally just dropped the egg in some boiling water and boiled it. So my first one wasn't boiled all the way through, so it was still a little bit runny. So that was the first time I ever ate a kind of low-key runny egg, and it wasn't bad, but it was just like, I don't know. I think it's the texture for me. It's the sliminess for me that I just don't like. But my second one that I had, because I had got 2, the second one was fully cooked through, and that one was good. It's just different. I just tried something different, so that was good. But yeah, we're gonna bounce. Yo, we made it to Target. I have no idea what I did with my mask. What did I do with my mask?
You got to wait outside till I get out.
Well, anyway, we made it to Target. So what we coming here for? Oh yeah, video games.
And that's it.
We'll see.
No, I am not walking around here.
We'll see.
Girls where I'm from. Can I play a player, baby? I grew up with Dre and Faith. I done see the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans that might have called me on a crazy day. Fuck you niggas thinking, tryna block me on a fadeaway. I been on that shit, I only vibe with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls where I'm from. Yeah, where we both from. Hey, and you just got to Miami, need hotel rooms. Niggas told you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot 42, cause you, hey, and you throwing on that dress, cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out of shit that you.
Y'all, so we sucked today. I didn't vlog while we was in Target. I don't know. But we just got like a few things. We didn't get a lot of stuff. But yeah, I sucked. I really wouldn't. We didn't get no video games like we thought. Are we parked on the right aisle? Are we? Where? I think all the way on that aisle. Dang, we did park that far up, didn't we? But yeah, I think that's all we came here to do. Ain't nothing else now. Now we can go back to the house. What we gonna do, baby?
Go watch football.
I don't know watch football. I don't want to do
You
that.
go watch it.
I don't want to watch
You done did all you wanted to do all day.
I don't watch no football.
My turn.
I guess so. He bought me some. Y'all see when I do my little Ulta haul when we get to the house. So
I ain't
y'all.
bought you nothing.
I'll
You bought your own.
I'll show y'all in a minute. Y'all, I brought the little shutter thing that closes on my lens when I dropped y'all just now. But I guess it's neither here nor there. Jesus, it was already a little screwed up, and now it's like really screwed up. Okay, so at Ulta, actually, I think I'm about to sit down for an hour because I bought this baby foot thing off of Amazon. I've been wanting to try, and it's supposed to make your feet peel. I'm just excited about the whole peeling process, honestly. Bought that from Amazon. But anyway, to Ulta. Things that I bought. I'm gonna show you things that I bought for myself, not for baby girl, because it's her Christmas stuff, and y'all don't really care about that, I don't think. I know I got her a lot of stuff, but she's starting to get into makeup now, so makes it more fun. All right, so for me, starting out, everybody's been talking about it. I got some of the Ordinary serums. I got the hyaluronic acid one as well as the peeling solution. I got these two, so hopefully this will work. I'm trying to clear up some of the sunspots or whatever that's on my face. I just want it to be clear. I also finally got some of the Morphe continuous setting spray. I've heard nothing but great things about this. Oh yeah, that's really fine too. Yes, I'm ready to try this. But they say this works really well. I started to get the mattifying one, but I was on Bay's tab, so I just decided just to get one. So I also got some of the Tarte concealers, Shape Tape contour concealer. So I got two of these. I'm so excited. I don't know why they're in different packaging, but they're exactly the same thing. I got one in the color light medium sand, and then I got the other one in tan deep sand. And then I got a trowel size, like a little $10 one in tan sand, because I really wasn't sure. So I think I'm gonna try them to make sure they're the right color. I just wanted to make sure, so I know if I had to go back and get the tan sand in the big one instead of the little one. So we'll see how that works. But I got those. And last but not least, I got me a re-up on the NYX Butter Gloss. Y'all know this is my favorite. This is in the color Praline. I like Praline and Fortune Cookie together, or Praline and Madeline together. Those are like my regular go-to lip combo. The butter glosses are amazing. And I also got the YSL Libre perfume. I sprayed it in the store. I had it on my hand. I don't smell it anymore, but the YSL Libre, I wanted to try this. It kind of smelled kind of grandma-ish at first, but the longer I walked around the store, the better it smelled. So I'm gonna see how well it lasts. We're gonna see, but let me see. I'll open it up and tell y'all what it reminds me of, because it's kind of floral. I just want something different. I'm more of a Dolce & Gabbana light blue. I like the y'all know I'm always wearing the Kate Spade too, so that one. And what's my other one? Next time I go back, I'm just gonna get the big Dolce & Gabbana light blue. But this one has a little top, but we'll just spray it. It's like, it smells way better now. It's kind of light, but it's a floral scent.
You lied.
I'm trying to think of what it smells like. Very gardeny, like gardenia. Something. It's just really, it smells really good. It smells a lot better afterwards. Like once it sits on your skin, it smells better. It doesn't smell so whatever. And honestly, let me tell you what it reminds me of. Hold on, I think I may still have it because it's that old. Hold on. I'm not even gonna lie. It smells like, don't judge me. This is the Body by Victoria. You probably won't even find this anymore, but this was out of Victoria's Secret. I've had this for years. I'm talking about years. And I swear, that's exactly what it smells like. That's what it smells like, but the YSL, of course, smells better. But very similar. Once it's hit, yes. That's exactly what it smells like. And I've had this for God knows how long, but that's exactly what it smells like. It smells like that. So if you find the Body by Victoria, I don't even know if they actually still sell that anymore. They may still sell it. But if you find that, that is almost like a dupe for that. It is, I swear, it's so similar. Like it's exactly the same. But anyway, so that's all I got from Ulta. Must have got baby girl the stuff that she needed. Let me show you one thing that I did buy her that the girl said it really did work. I was kind of skeptical because it was 60 bucks. But the Grande Cosmetic Lash Enhancing Serum, she's been talking about this. And she said that it had good reviews on it and everything. So, supposedly helps your lashes grow within 4 to 6 weeks. So, I may end up going back and trying that. I'm going to see how it does on Maya's. And see if it actually works. So, Grande Lash MD. So that's what she wanted. She got it. I hope it's worth the price. So yeah, that's what I got. From Target, we bought these are just Christmas gifts for Carter, but we bought him the PlayStation 4, the Gran Turismo game, because he needs something else besides Fortnite and Call of Duty, honey. Like, whatever. And Jay is ordering him the Madden football game as well. And that just gives something for us to actually play with him on, because like Fortnite and Fortnite and Call of Duty, I don't know how to play, so no fun. I also bought this telescope, but actually I seen one in Sam's and my mom wanted to get it for Carter, so she actually gave me the money for it. So I finally bought it, but I thought this would be really cool. I had a telescope when I was a kid, when I was like 11, 12. I had like a huge expensive telescope. Actually, it's like probably still in the storage building, but my grandparents bought it for me because I was just so in love with like space and stuff, which I think is really funny because Carter and I are very much the same. Like, he is really into the Titanic and like spacey stuff, and he loves it, and I do too. And just a fun fact, to graduate college I needed a natural science. I took biology 101 3 times and I never passed. I'm talking about failed it, like failed. I even had the same teacher twice, and it's something about it, it's just too much. My brain cannot, whatever. So I ended up taking astronomy for my natural science, and I absolutely loved it. I don't know why I never took it before, but finally, like after I had failed biology 3 times, my advisor was just like, I think you're gonna have to pick a different science. And I was like, well, what else can I pick? And then when she said astronomy, I was like, yeah, let me do that. And I loved it. So yeah, I think it was pretty cool, but I think he'll enjoy that. And then also from Target, I bought him one of the Kinetic Sands. When we was in Walmart the other day, he was looking at it. If y'all remember, it's in my vlog, but he was looking at it and saying that he wanted it. And I just remember seeing this thing. So they actually had it, and they had it in this little case, which is better than the box they had at Walmart. So this was like 20 bucks. I think the one at Walmart was like 15, but it didn't come in like the case. So I thought the case was better because he'll be able to like store it back up and play with it again versus trying to stuff it in the box. So that's all we got today. That's it. I'm about to clean up this house from dinner night because stuff is everywhere. And if you don't know, Carter's allergic to shellfish, and we had shellfish last night, so I'm going to make sure to wipe everything down and make sure that he's good whenever he comes home. So yeah, we got everything they need. I think we are pretty much done with Christmas. We have Christmas over and done with, and it is what, December 5th?
We out here.
So it's like December 5th, so yeah. Oh, I didn't pay my car insurance. I forgot about that. So yeah, so we're pretty much done with it. Over. So yeah, so I'm just about to clean up and everything, and I think that'll be it. So that's it for today's vlog. We just did a little bit of shopping and went and ate some good food, so that's it. Yeah. Peace.